Hey guys, I just wanted to um get on here and um congratulate the Tanner Rights for um promoting the um You Are Worth It. And yes, I want to continue though that sentence or those words, you are worth it, and promote it all around my page. And once again, congratulate the Tanner Rights for promoting those words and that sentence. You are worth it. Congratulations, Tanner Rights. Love you guys. And before I forget, please head over to their new channel and let them know that Lisi from the Lisi's Vlogs sent you guys. Love you guys. And yes, once again, you are worth it. Love you guys, Tanner Rights.